Okay, it's Marilyn. Good morning, Momshies. What are you doing today? What are you up to and what are you cooking for your families? Today, shout out kay Brad Raymond Tumamang of Yukon. Ito, siya nag-introduce sa akin ito and he knows that this is my favorite na niluluto niya for me. So, sweet ni brother, I really appreciate yung aking mga brothers and sisters. They spoil me. Ito pata, no? Na may bitsuelas. I use this white kidney beans. It's my first time to actually cook it kasi na-miss ko na I heard him say na may ganito. So, I tried it. And it's so easy actually. But, Brad, no? Lutuan mo pa rin ako when I go there. When I visit White Horse. And, ito nilagay kong gulay kasi ito lang available sa aking fridge. Kasi kung ano yung available, yun yung ilagay natin mga mamshis, no? So, you don't have to worry about anything na may mga kulang. Just use whatever's available. I'm actually not sure kung ito yung ginagamit ni Rod. And I will give you a trivia. Did you know? No? Ito trivia, hindi ito connected sa aking pata na may bitsuelas. No? Because I am really so proud of telling this story. Si Brad Raymond kasi, anak siya ng ating corn king ng Philippines, no? Si Boy Tumamang, a scientist. Siya yung nag-improve nung life cycle ng corn from planting to harvest. Nagpunta siya sa iba't ibang bansa, napakatalino, no? Ang pangalan ng father niya, yung nickname niya is Boy Tumamang. Did you know, ang trivia natin is ito. Not at all connected with this. Ang trivia natin is, ang boy bawang is actually connected, or yung boy bawang na binatog is actually kinuha yung name na yon kay Boy Tumamang, yung ating corn king ng Philippines. Nakaka-impress, no? Napakatalino ng lahi ni Brad Raymond, kaya pala siya matalino rin, no? Oh, wow, no? Layo ng ating trivia. Pero, Brad, ito na. I'm not sure kung gumagamit ka ng gulay na to, but I hope I gave it justice. Yung ano ito, pangalan nito? Bitsuelas. I'm Kapampangan, so I don't really know that word. Yung beans tayo na lang, yung beans. I use this. It's a PC kidney beans. And of course, I didn't ask him kung patis or anything. I used pink salt. Actually, I tasted it and it's so yummy. So family, bon appetit. Thanks be to God. Have a good day. Cheers. Bye.